Ooh, ooh, hi there. Do you know me? Rubble. Welcome back to our channel. Yes? And today we will learn colors with many surprise toys. Yes? Unravel. Yes? Ooh. Yeah. My leg is so long and my job is helping people. Gee. Ooh. Oh. Hi there. How are you today? Sky. Yes, I'm Sky. I'm so beautiful. Kiki. Ooh, Zoomer. I'm Zoomer. Wow. Check it out. My wings. Yes, I can fly. Ooh. Close my wings. Good job. Guess what? Who's there? Oh yeah, Rocky. Handsome Rocky. Yes, I am so handsome. Nice to see you again. So beautiful. Sky, Rocky, Zoomer, and Rubble. Yes, let's learn colors. Orange. Yes, we have orange clay. And now we will make a bear. Yes, a bear. Ooh, a bear. Good job. Ooh, so nice. Yes. Oh yeah, good job. And now make a bear. Wow. Ooh, orange bear. Need more. Wow, so beautiful. Orange bear. Orange, good job. We have orange. And now, ooh, red. Yes, we have red. Yeah. Coming soon. Guess what? A red bear is coming soon. Ooh, shishi. Yeah. Oh, nice. Ooh. Yes. Red bear is coming soon. Wow, so beautiful. Yes. Oh, so beautiful. red, red. A red bear. Yes. So beautiful. We have orange. We have red. And now we have blue clay. Blue, blue. Ooh, blue. Blue clay. Yeah. I'm making a blue bear. Yes. Rotate. Okay. Wow, so beautiful. Wow, blue, blue, blue bear, blue bear, so nice. I put blue bear here. Wow, yellow, yellow, yellow. A yellow bear is coming soon. Yes? Kiki. Yeah. Draw it. Oh, good job. Oh, nice. Yellow bear. Wow. Yellow, 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 yellow bear. Good job. I put yellow bear right here. And now we have white, white, white. White. Yeah. Do you know white? Oh, white. Oh, good job. Yes? Yeah. Oh. Yeah. And now, what do we have? It's easy. We have green bear. No, it's not green. It's white. 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 White bear. Yeah, white bear. Yes. So, learn again. Learn again with me, Rubble. Yes? 2. What color is this? Is orange, orange, orange. 2. What color is this? Is red, red, red. Good job. 2. Oh, so carefully. What color is this? Is white, white, white. 2. What color is this? Is yellow, yellow, yellow. 2. Ooh. What color is this? Is blue, blue. Yeah, way to go. Oh, very nice. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos. Yes, I'm Rubble, and goodbye. See you again. See you next time.